Excuse me, is everything okay?
Not really. My car will not start.
Oh no, how long have you been trying?
Almost 20 minutes.
Do you know what the problem is?
I think the battery's dead.
That is frustrating.
Yes, especially because I need to get to work.
Maybe I can help. I have jumper cables in my car.
That would be amazing.
Let's see if we can start it.
Thank you so much.
Okay, try turning the key now.
1 second. It's starting.
Great, the battery was the problem.
You saved my day.
I'm glad I could help.
I was worried I would be late for work.
You should still have enough time.
Yes, thanks to you.
Make sure to get the battery checked soon.
I will do that this afternoon.
Good idea.
Thank you again for stopping to help a stranger.
No problem. We all need help sometime.
That's true.
Have a safe drive.
You too. Goodbye.